In this video, I will show you how to convert a photo to a cartoon in Canva. Now to do this, as you can see, I'm just on Canva and I've got a blank design loaded. So what I'm going to do is just come to my uploads and just upload a photo which we can turn into a cartoon. So what I'm going to do is just upload this picture of myself, which is going to make this a bit bigger. And there's actually two apps we can use to do this. So if you actually come over to the left-hand side, and what you want to do is scroll down to the bottom where you're going to find the apps option. So give that a click. That's going to load up the Canva app section. What you can do from here is use the search box at the top. And we're going to search for an app called Cartoonify. Now it's going to look like this with this picture of this lion. So what you want to do is give that a click. From here you can see it's found our image which has been uploaded, and if we scroll down underneath you can see the different styles we can choose. So what I'm going to do is just select the creative style. From here we're going to scroll down a bit more and you can add some custom instructions if you want to. For example, if you wanted to make big eyes or something like that. And once you've done that, click onto the Cartoonify image button at the bottom. So it's just going to take a minute or two to run through and convert your photo into a cartoon image. But as you can see, after a minute or two, this is our image here. So what we can do is replace our existing image, or we can add this to our design as well. So I'm just going to make this a bit smaller, and you can see our two images here, which actually it's done a really good job with this. Now there's another app you can use as well, which is really good. So if you come back to apps on the left hand side, and this time we're going to search for a app called Animeify. So it's spelled like this, and the logo looks like this. Similar sort of way to use it, just click onto the app. As you can see, it's identified our image, and we can scroll down and again choose the style we want. I'm going to leave it selected to retro this time. We can also add some custom instructions and then click the button at the bottom to animeify our image. So again, you just need to wait a couple minutes for Canva to work its magic. And here is our result. So again, you can see it's done a really great job with this, and I'm just going to click add to design so you can see all our different images here. So that is how to convert photo to cartoon in Canva. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.